Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. Thank you so much to my new subscribers. I see you. Thank you so much for the love that one of my video received. I thank you all so much. I am grateful that you all are here. And since you enjoyed the last video that we chose clothes from our closet, I decided to give you another one today. Today, this pant will take you from into wow. It's not a regular yoga pants. We all have this in our closet. Some of us, we work out, we do yoga, we do all sorts of workouts, we do cardio, we do heat, depending on your style, what kind of workouts that you like. But the bottom line is, this particular pants I'm about to present to you today, you all have it in your closet, trust me. And I'm about to take you from to wow, how you can restyle it. Sis, check into your closet. I'm sure you have this kind of yoga pants, and if you don't have it, you might as well lay your hands on it. This video, by the way, is not sponsored here on YouTube, but it was sponsored on Instagram. So I thought about bringing it to you, to my YouTube family, for you all to see how you can actually uplift your yoga pants to go from to wow. You all know we have different types of yoga pants in the store. Different size, different cuts, different shape, different colors. But this one, it's unique, it's different, alright? And it does look like a pants that will take you from the gym straight to the office. I know some people will not agree with me. They will go like, oh, that is gross. I am not saying you are going to go right from your gym when you didn't shower. That would be so dirty and that would be so gross, for real. You're not going to go from gym straight to the office. You have to clean up all those sweats from the gym. Yes, but the idea is this pants that you have in your closet already, that you can use it to dress up and still go to errands. You can use it to go to the office, depending on how you want to pair it. And in this video, you're going to see how I'm going to style it. So if you have this kind of pants in your closet, don't limit yourself, because on this channel we are all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank. So therefore, don't limit yourself to just use it as a yoga pant, but make sure it's in good condition, that is cleaning and smelling so nice and so fresh before you wear it. Please, ladies, that is the idea behind it. Make sure it is washed, multi-purpose use. So you have to wash it, then you use it to go do your errands or to go to the office. And if you have to use to the gym again, you use it at the gym, you come back, you wash it, and you go back again. All right, ladies, the color that you're looking at on the screen, the color that I chose is dark coffee, and the size is size small that I chose. The sizes, they have size range from extra small to extra large, and they have it in different shades. The one I'm featuring on the screen is dark coffee. Because I am 5'6" feet tall, I chose the one that has the inseam 31 inseam. They have 29 inseam and also 33 inseam, so you have to choose according to your height. These are the following colors that they have. Remember, I said 10 shades. They have it in taupe, they have royal blue, they have it in black, dark coffee, dark burgundy, deep gray, white, light khaki. Also, they have it in light gray and sugar brown. So the idea behind this video is for you to pick whatever color that you have in your closet that goes with this pants. I have chosen like 4 or 5 tops that I'm going to be styling with this pants. So it's not an idea. I'm not about to tell you that you should run out there to go and buy. But if you think that you want to buy this particular one, like I have a discount code that I will put in description box if you want to lay your hands on this particular brand. The reason why I love this brand, this particular one, is because it's not tight, it's free. It does look like a structured tailored pants because of the pocket at the back, though they are not functional, but the 2 pockets on the side, they are very functional. And another thing I love about is the band is big. It's a wide band on the waist, which is going to help to associate your waist more, because it's going to soak in your tummy. And without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. So ladies, this is how the first styling, and this is the pants. This time I chose size medium because I wasn't too sure if it's going to be too tight. And look at how I paired it. This is a gym pants. Look at this. This is a yoga pants. All right. from this brand on the screen. It's not sponsored, yeah, but I do have a discount code in the description box if you want to purchase from them. All right, look at this, look at this, and look at the waistband. This is the back. All right, if you do not mind this logo showing, because it's a yoga pant and there's a logo showing at the back, all you have to do is put a blazer on it. And this is it with a blazer. Look at that. Nobody's gonna see the logo that is a yoga pants, if some people are so concerned about that. And look at the whole outfit, from yoga pants to office pants. The idea when you want to pick is pick the color of pants that you know you have a lot of top in your closet that you can use to match it. That's just it. Look at that. Am I not ready for the office? Yes, I am. This is how I will style it. The next one. Look at that. Ladies, see? This pants will take you to different types of occasion. I don't know what event is this. Name it in the comment section if you know what the second outfit can go for. So I crop my top up and I'm going to style it with this shoes. But this, you can only do this if you don't care about the logo at the back that is showing, which is the logo there. If you don't care about it, you can only rock it like this. But if you care about it, then you have to cover it with your top. Ladies, please, if you are still watching up to this time, I want to use this time to say thank you. I appreciate your support, and please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. Thank you all so much. And this is how I'm going to style it again. Look at that. We are back to that kind of office or quick errand runs, because of course I can wear this heel all day long because it's not too high. So it could be an office look and it could be an errand run, because depending on where you're going to. And I'm gonna go ahead and switch the shoes and pop in something else from my closet to give this another look. And this is another way I will style it.
Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams.
I added the belts just to spice it up.
Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward.
Ladies, I believe we all catch the drift now. You know that you just have to buy the one that you know you have multiple top that you can use to style it. This is another way I will style it. This is like just very simple for me, but I'm going to uplift it and make it look more polished.
When I open my mouth, though I may not know how, I know I was born to sing. Travel the world.
So this next one is like a no-brainer. Yes, because white will match practically any color you can pair white with. And this is how I style white with the pants. This yoga pants is not just an ordinary yoga pants. You all have seen it in this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and please don't forget to like this video. And please do share. Also, maybe some people will find it helpful or informative or entertaining. I pop a vest on it that will cover the logo if that bothers you. And if the weather permits this kind of styling, of course.
Baby girl, bury my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause what
I can't just do without popping a color on these pants. That is why I chose to do this.
ever happens, I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. Even on a bad day.
And this is another way I will style it.
I thank God for making me brave.
Ladies, this is the last way I will style it. Who does not have a black top, a black vest, black sweater, black crop top, black shirt in their closets? That is the idea, okay? Look at that.
Living free. Wanna die when I'm 123. Really wish that all my heroes would notice me, so I could be one of the greats on a big stage, inspiring people to pray and give thanks, 'cause somehow we
Alright ladies, I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please do not forget to leave me a like if you haven't done that before, and if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification so you can get notified whenever I have a new video. On this channel, we're all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank. I'm going to be bringing you more video ideas whereby you go into your closets and style what you already own. You style it multiple ways. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section as well. And until next time, remain blessed. Bye for now.